Hi there, welcome to Math Camp. Today we are going to convert cubic units. So let's start with question number 1. So we are going to convert 7,250,000 in centimeter cube into meter cube. So again, I'm going to start with my unit conversion technique, which is king, Harry died by drinking chocolate milk. For this technique, if you want to understand in detail, you can visit my YouTube channel, and over there you can search for conversion of units. So we have to move from centimeter to meter. So centi is C and meter is the basic unit. So we have to move 2 jumps backward. That means divide by 10, divide by 10. So number is 7,250,000 divided by 2 tenths means 100. So 10 into 10 is 100, but we have to see the unit as well. Unit is cubic, so it is going to be cube. So this time 7,250,000 divided by, now 100 times 100 times 100 is going to be 1 million. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and as we are going to divide it, the decimal has to move backward of the main number, and main number is 7,250,000. Decimal is here. It will take 6 jumps backward, as we have 6 zeros in million. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer for this question is going to be 7.25. Let's do the next question. So this time we are going to convert kilometer cube into centimeter cube. My conversion tool or technique is king, Harry died by drinking chocolate milk. So this time we have to move from kilometer to centimeter. So here this is kilometer and this centimeter. We will take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 jumps. So 0.00, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 5, 7, 8. So each jump is of 10, and as we are moving forward, so each term will be times by 10. So altogether we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. That means 100,000. So that's now this is the basic conversion, but we have cubic unit. So this cube will come here. So this number is going to be, when we convert, it is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. So 5 zeros, and then again 5 zeros, then again 5 zeros is going to be 15 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 zeros. So let's move this decimal point by 15 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we have 3 gaps left. 1, 2, 3. So this number is going to be 2, 5, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3 zeros. So this is all for today. I hope you understood it. Take care. Bye bye.